Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of the assets in the PMax campaign and exploring how these assets can supercharge your advertising efforts. From Sitelinks and callouts to the lead form and the promotions, each asset plays a crucial role in maximizing the performance of your PPC campaigns. So let's delve deep into the different type of assets available and uncover the strategies for using them efficiently to achieve your advertising goals. Understanding the assets in the PMax assets are essential component of a PMax campaign that can really help in enhance the visibility and effectiveness of your ads across various Google platforms. These assets provide additional information to users, encourage the engagement and drive conversions. By leveraging a diverse range of assets, advertisers can create compelling ad experiences tailored to their target audience's preference and the needs. First type of assets is the sitelink. Sitelinks allow advertisers to showcase additional links to specific pages on their website directly within their ads. By including relevant sitelinks, the advertisers can provide users with quick access to relevant content, the product categories or special offers, thereby enhancing the user experience and increasing the CTR. Second is the callout. The callout are short snippet of text that benefit the key selling points, benefits or the unique features of a product or services. By incorporating compelling callout into the ads, the advertisers can grab the user's attention, differentiate their offerings and encourage the actions such as making a purchase or requesting some more information. The next is the structured snippet. Structured snippets allow the advertiser to showcase specific categories of products or the services offered within their ads. By providing users with the additional context about their offerings, the advertisers can better align their ads with the user's search intent and the preferences, increasing the relevance and effectiveness of their campaign. The next is the call extension. The call extension enables the advertiser to display a phone number alongside their ads, allowing users to easily contact the business directly. By facilitating direct communication, the phone call extension can drive valuable phone calls from the interested customers, leading to increase in conversions and the sales opportunities. The next is the lead form extension. Lead form extension enables the advertiser to capture leads directly within their ads by providing users with a streamlined form to submit the contact information. By simplifying the lead generation process, the lead form extension can increase the conversion rates and generate high quality leads for the businesses. The next is the location extension. Location extension display the business's address alongside its ads, making it easier for users to find and visit the physical locations. Whether it is a store, showroom or the office, location extension can drive foot traffic and increase the offline conversion by providing users with essential information about the business's whereabouts. The next is the price extension. The price extension showcases specific product or services along with their prices directly within the ads. By highlighting competitive pricing and the promotional offers, price extension can incentivize users to click on the ads and make a purchase, driving both the traffic and the conversion for the advertisers. The next is the promotion extension. The promotion extension allow the advertiser to highlight the special offers, discount or promotions directly within their ads, whether it's a limited time sale, free shipping offer or the holiday promotion. Promotion extension can attract users' attention and encourage the immediate action, driving conversions and boosting the sales. The next is the efficient use of the assets in the PMax campaign. So now that we have discovered the various type of assets available in the PMax campaign, let's discuss some strategies for using them efficiently. The next is the relevance. Ensure that your assets are relevant to users' search queries and align with their intent to maximize the engagement and the conversion. The next is the variety. Use a diverse range of assets including the sitelink, the callout and the extensions to provide users with multiple touch points and enhance their experience. The next is testing. Continuously test the different asset combination messaging format to identify what resonates best with your target audience and drive the optimal results. The next is the optimization. Regularly monitor and optimize your assets based on the performance data, adjusting bits, targeting and the messaging to maximize the ROI and then achieve your advertising objectives. In terms of the conclusion, the assets plays a crucial role in enhancing the effectiveness and performance of the PMax campaign by leveraging a variety of assets including the site link, the callout extension, etc. The advertisers can set up compelling ad experiences that engage users, drive conversions and ultimately achieve their advertising goals. By understanding the different type of assets available and implementing the efficient strategy for their use, advertisers can unlock the full potential of their PMax campaigns and drive sustained success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.